All right, we'll talk to everybody again, June 27th.
We just want to, one more thing.
Please.
Yes, so, in the pattern of what we've been discussing around the unfairness and the inequality and the injustice of this court, just want to reiterate that my co-plaintiff said that the only thing that Attorney Cox has ever supplied has been a lease. And we believe that you are actually unfairly ruling and that there's actually some unfairness going on. There's a lot of rules that we have mentioned today and mentioned in our briefs that continue to be disregarded before this court. And we just want to, again, put that on record that we are being treated unfairly. We are pro se plaintiffs. Aaron Daniel Cox is being paid hundreds of dollars an hour to represent defendants and continues to, and has a whole law firm of people who are researching, who are supplying things, and he's never to this day filed a proof of filing. It's required by this law, by the court, to file a proof of filing, but you're basing things based on his words. But he will not file a proof of filing before this court. Everything that we have filed and gone before this court and filed a proof of filing so that we can say, actually, it was served on this day. We're not just depending on our name and our say as an attorney or as a man or as a white person, but actually we're adhering to the decisions of this court and the laws of this court. Attorney Cox has never filed a proof of filing, but you have said today that you accept his word, even though we have ample evidence to demonstrate that what he's saying is false.
I accept it?
Provide that you are being unfair and unjust before this court, and we will continue to bring justice to this court because justice needs to be provided in this court. We cannot deal with discrimination. We cannot just deal with retaliation. We cannot deal with these things that we're dealing with today. Attorney Cox has continued to oppress us, has continued to unduly burden us, has asked us to print things multiple times over and over. We do not have money to print things over and over time, but he does. And now you're asking us to provide things that we have already provided before this court. It's very unfair, Judge Robinson. It's very, very unfair. It's very unfortunate. We are facing displacement. We're facing retaliation. We're facing discrimination. And this is even more adding to our unfairness. We have to, this is very unfair. This is very, very unfair. It's very unfair. It's unjust.
All right. I understand your objections. Again, you have an absolute right to appeal any decision that I make. And I would further point out for the court rules that the court rules apply equally to plaintiffs.